Hey guys, one of the things that I wanted to talk about is that data science field is exploding faster than ever before. You have so much data that is coming through the digital world. A lot of people, a lot of companies are looking for data scientists, data analysts to work on the data that is being generated on a day-to-day basis and try to come up with insights and recommendations. I think this is a great opportunity for someone who's trying to work on the insights and recommendation team to understand how these team function, what all are the important skill sets that you need to have, how you want to make sure that you hire the right set of people in your team and work on different types of projects. So in this video, I'm going to cover some of these important topics, and plus I'm going to also talk about the fact that how much can you make in this field, and what is the industry standard based on your experience, like how much you can actually earn. So in this video, I'm going to be covering all of these topics. Also, one of the important things that data science teams should understand is the technology, right? Because technology in this field is constantly evolving. There are new tools coming up every year. You have to hone into the fact that there is always a learning process involved in terms of building your assets, building your capabilities, right? And I wanted to really emphasize on the fact that the technology piece is something that you need to be constantly keep that in mind and constantly be aware of, because that process itself is going to take a long time for your team to really adapt to those current changing circumstances. Yes, this is kind of just an overview of what you can expect if you get into the data science field. The entry level job that you might be getting if you are entering into any of the industry is going to be analyst role, and that is the entry level job. And usually the salary it ranges from 50 to 65K per annum. This is again in USD. The next level, again, once you gain some of the experience in the industry, maybe like 2 or 3 years of experience, you might get into you might be data senior analyst or a manager, okay, in a company. Your salary might be in the range of 66 to 80K, again depending on how you're gonna hone into your career. Maybe you're switching into from one company to other company. That might give you a higher salary hike, but that's probably another level that you have to get in. And then once you again gain like 4 to 6 years of experience, you might become senior manager or an associate director. And that probably the salary range probably be around 90 to 120K. And then once you become a senior associate director or vice president or a director of data science with possibly like 7 to 10 years of experience, your salary probably be in the range of 130 to 170K. Okay, so the next level, which is the topmost level, probably you'll be talking or doing a very similar work as the chief officers would do in the company. So you might be designated as a VP or SVP or a CTO. Your salary probably be close to like 175K plus. Okay, so you probably have like 10 plus years of experience. Okay, again, this is all in USD. This is the US market. If you go to tech hubs like San Francisco, Seattle, or New York, your salary tend to be a little bit higher. Again, due to the demand, and also, for example, in the SF, the mid level data analyst position could earn you close to like 100K, 100 to even 140K. But in Chicago or Austin, that salary might be close to like 80 to 110K, again depending on the location plus the state taxes. You have to take that into consideration. Federal plus state taxes, you'll be paying much more in places like San Francisco and New York. Okay, so that's the the data science salary structure. The other thing I wanted to talk about is the type of skill sets that you might need if you become if you want to become a data science professional. You need most of the position do look for master's or a PhD level degree on a STEM program. It could be again on computer science, statistics, or engineering, or even if you have done specifically data science, that would definitely help. And most of them are going to be looking for someone who has worked extensively in Python, R, SQL, and a lot of the machine learning algorithms. Okay, so that's the other thing. And again, they are also looking for someone who has experience with TensorFlow, Spark, Hadoop. Okay. Those are probably add-on very important skills to have initially. Probably most of the analysts and senior analysts may not have this type of experience, but as you grow in this field, you should have experience handling these type of technologies. Okay, and then plus you have to know how to work in a cloud computing environment. The three biggest are Azure, Amazon AWS, and Google Cloud. So you should know one of them extensively in order to be thorough with the fact that how you're going to be managing data in cloud. Okay, so that's those are the skill sets you should have. The other thing that I wanted to talk about is so the application of data science in different departments, right? So in a business sense, like when you look at it, you need to understand, if you are in a marketing department, what are the things that you can do. Okay, so you probably be putting yourself into an insights team. Because the data science team usually bring insights and recommendations to other team members or stakeholders. You are going to be dealing with many different projects. Okay, and those projects are going to be more towards understanding the data better and providing insights and recommendations. Okay, so you need to understand what all things you can do in each of these departments. So if you look at it from a marketing standpoint, again, a lot of the information that resides in the marketing data warehouse system or RDBMS or the CRM based system, you can do customer segmentation, targeting, right? You can do campaign optimization, you can do CLV prediction, you can do market basket analysis, you can do social media and sentiment analysis. Right now, I think the more advanced analysis that a lot of the CMOs are looking for is customer journey analysis. So you should be able to do that. That's very important. Demand forecasting, sometimes you should be able to carry out some of the forecasting activity. Personalized marketing, one-on-one marketing, that's very important. Data visualization and reporting, data quality and governance, that's important. Web analytics, SEO, SCM analysis, those things you should be able to do it. Marketing automation, influencer marketing analysis, analytics, like a lot of these things probably be part of the data insights team responsibility in terms of providing recommendations to stakeholders. So you have to deal with a lot of different teams, and obviously you need to set timelines, understand how you're going to gather data, how you're going to talk to them and understand what all are their needs. Okay, so these are all important skill sets to have other than like technical skill, right? So you have to have those soft skills too in order to talk to these stakeholders to get more insights or more understanding from them in terms of what exactly they're looking for. If you're in a finance field, especially like in financial services field, like I am actually in this field, and most of the stuff that we do again in probably be in terms of risk management, credit scoring, financial forecasting and budgeting, investment and portfolio management. That also can be done by a data scientist or a data science professional. Algorithmic trading, financial data analysis and reporting, predictive analytics for financial decisions, valuation and financial modeling, regulatory compliance and reporting, and currently the new technology on blockchain and cryptocurrency, right? All of these stuff can be done by a data science professional, because a lot of the base level skill, the foundational skills that is needed in order to do these are, possibly be understanding how to write code in Python and R, and doing some statistical analysis and pulling data, doing data pipelines, data automation, like how do you automate some of these processes on reporting side, on visualization side. So a lot of those skill sets definitely going to overlap with any of these type of roles. So you have to be open to the fact that you should be able to do all these type of projects. The other field that I think of where data scientist or data science professional can be can make their career is in operations and supply chain, right? Especially in terms of, again, retail industry, or if you look at any type of consumer discretionary or consumer staples, you will be dealing with a lot of the supply chain and operations types of data on a day-to-day basis. So you can do demand forecasting, you can do inventory optimization, you can do supply chain network optimization, supplier and vendor management, logistics and transportation optimization, production planning and scheduling, supply chain risk management and resilience, product lifecycle and demand variability analysis, cost reduction and efficiency improvement. Like, all of these stuff can be done by data scientist or data science professional. Okay. So that's about it. This is all that I had to say in this video. But one of the things that I wanted to talk about is that I have an accelerator program. If someone wants to really get into the data science field, I have like 10 years of experience in data science field, and I can tell you like what all are the skills and how you're going to be preparing yourself to get into this field. And this accelerator program is, again, a limited seated. There are, I'm not going to be allowing everyone to come in. So there's going to be some sort of an process of like getting the application and then trying to see who can actually get into this program. So if you're interested, there is a link down below in this channel. Click into it, fill up your application, and then we can schedule a call and try to get you in. But do check that out because again, the seats are limited. If you have any other comments, put your comments down below in this video. I'm happy to look into it and reply to those messages. Okay, thank you.